My name is Paul Weber. I live in Niagara Falls in Canada, in Ontario, Canada. And I went to a number of orthopedic clinics, and nothing lasted longer than 5 days, a week tops. And one night, while I was watching the Canadian news CTV, a segment comes on of about 10 minutes. This is at 11 o'clock at night. And it is the husband, the same problem that I had, and he lives in Winnipeg. They came to this clinic, Nordorthopaedics. I went, whoa. And I listened to the story. I went upstairs, I Googled it, got online, and I was really excited about it and sent off an email, and I was answered the next day. And you guys, it's a one-stop shop, Nordorthopaedics. They pick you up at the airport, they bring you here, they get you checked in, they look after you all the way.